In this video, we're going to discuss how to set up a web form for your GetResponse list. So the first thing you want to do is log into your GetResponse dashboard, select the campaign that you want to work with, depending on what list this is for, and make sure that one is selected. So List Builder 4 is the one we're working with, so that's the one that is already chosen. Otherwise, you could find a different one in here. So the next thing you want to do is come on over and have it say create a web form. Create a web form. And it gives you a few options for creating a web form. So you've got several design choices. You can go with a basic one. You could go with like a blue sign up one. You can browse through whichever template you think suits your website or suits your visitors. Most of the time, their newer ones, their basic ones are going to be just fine. Like this one here, we can just go with apply on this one. So after we choose apply, it gives you an option here. You can edit this header, which gives you a headline here. So right here within this text here, we can type in whatever we want to type in here. So click to download or click to sign up or sign up below, sorry. We'll just go sign up below. And we can actually change that font size if we want to by bolding that. And let's give it a little bit more size than that. And then we can go to apply on that. So notice that shows up a little bit smaller. So if you decide you don't want to have the header, you can actually click on edit header and you could take that font all the way out, or you can come down here and just click on off the header option, and that will actually remove the header part, so it's just the email and the name part. So that's up to you. The footer part, you could actually take out the footer if you wanted to as well by just clicking on that. Email marketing by GetResponse, you could actually take that option out as well and then keep the privacy part in there. That's important. The sign up link, instead of it saying sign up, we could actually change that and say send free report or videos or whatever it is. Hit apply there. If for some reason that overruns the form spot, you can just drag on the resize option. Say you want to change that from name to first name on the label. Just go to first name, choose apply, and now you've got it set up. So you've got your first name, your email, and then we come over here to where it says next step. And we'll call this web form name, we'll just call this example 1. Or it will automatically populate with a date in there. So we'll call this web form example 1. Subscription via Facebook, keep that one off for now. Default thank you page, that would be the default page that they're going to land on after they opt in. Or it could be a custom thank you page. Again, this would be the URL that you've set in your members area. Or you could have them stay on your current page, like if they're reading a blog post, they just quickly opt in and they're sent the info. Most of the time, you either want to do a custom thank you page, which would be where you type in, yourthankyoupage.com. So whatever your thank you page is, which is like yourdomain.com/ty123.html, that's where that would go. So keep that one in mind for the custom, or you could just go with the default option where you can do make your thank you page dynamic or choose the default page. So you can choose how you want to do that. Then what you want to do is just go to the next step here. And now you've got your code so you can actually install that. So you'll choose I will install my web form, and you've got two options. You've got an HTML code option, which is quite large, and then you've got a JavaScript option. So you're just going to highlight this JavaScript, right click, choose copy, and now you're actually ready to install your GetResponse code onto your actual WordPress website. So at this point, you just have to copy this and you're ready to paste it in.